close, you gotta look for like beads and then like a ring thing.
So if you want, I can orientate the boat.
That's nice.
Yeah, I know.
It's like the DreamWorks thing.
Do you need this?
Oh, no.
Do you need this?
It's further away with one eye than it is.
It's good for your phone, honey.
No, it doesn't do it.
Yeah, Steven, I don't know if that's good for your phone.
I don't care. I'll buy a new one. I'm rich.
Yeah. It's never gonna happen again, so.
I'll put
What are you, you're videoing it?
I'm doing it.
You take the SIM card out of your thing,
Yeah, with
and then you would.
Well, I've had my
Nope.
phone.
well, there's only a third of the, there's only a sliver of the sun showing right now.
It's the only, it's an eclipse from 100 years ago, so I think it's worth just damaging my phone.
I think the temperature got cooler.
Let's go to the witch's hut.
Now, does it look a little different?
Dad, can we go to the witch's hut?
We what?
Go to the witch's hut.
It is getting darker. It's sort of cool.
Getting darker, yeah.
It is darker out here, isn't it?
It's way darker.
Oh, yeah, it's solar eclipse. I'm like,
What time is it now?
I don't know. It's almost time.
120.
So 8 more minutes?
7.
8 till total. 8 till maximum totality.
No, I think max. It's 7 minutes. It's 6 minutes till maximum totality.
We have 1 minute and 52 seconds. No, Dad, you're wrong.
You turned off your time
Oh,
lapse?
we have like 2 minutes. Yeah, something like that.
Oh, it's already so much.
Totally awesome. You guys want to go tubing?
No.
Let's go tubing in the dark.
No.
For 2 minutes. What'd you do during totality? Oh, I went.
Tubing. Hello.
Woo! Hello.
Woo!
Quite an echo.
That's so cool.
It echoes better in the eclipse.
Yeah, everything's better.
Listen to the birds though, you guys. They're getting
Hey,
louder.
Tom, get down for my side for a little bit.
Woo! What is that big ring over there?
Someone shot off a cannon or something.
I don't know what that is.
I'm a forest. That's scary.
It's an alien
That
spaceship.
stupid cloud better get out of the way. No, good north.
It's an alien spaceship.
Some kind of a weather balloon?
No.
No, it's a smoke ring. Like someone shot off a cannon.
Alright, do we need to move north?
I don't know.
That's not a smoke ring.
It's all the bugs. They're like confused.
That would be so scary. Like,
Maybe that is the bugs.
attacked us.
All the bugs are making a halo.
Take a picture of it.
I did. I have no idea.
I videoed it.
It's like a
Maybe God is coming out of
That's gotta be
heaven.
some kind of eclipse. I think the aliens are gonna come through that portal.
yeah, like in the Avengers.
Right. Alright, should we move north?
Yeah, let's just a slow, nice
Really, really slow.
Someone drew on the cloud.
Alright, just tell me when
Guys,
this.
that's on a cloud.
the
It's moving with the cloud.
you know what? One of those planes might have crashed to create that.
Alright, the
almost
tube is
there.
wrapped around us, so
It is?
yeah.
I think we're good.
I don't even see the tube. I don't even see the tube.
Oh yeah, those clouds are moving right in.
Oh my god, it actually is really dark.
I don't even see. Oh, there.
Where's the tube? Is over there. Yeah. I'm done. It's on this side. Moving to miss the cloud.
Oh, I want to be on this.
Ted, can you move your arm? Never mind, it's not your arm.
If somebody still wants me to do something different with the clouds and sun and the boat, let me know.
You're probably good right there. That's blocking it out.
What's blocking it? Oh, it is?
It's starting to cover. The ends are getting smaller. Are you watching, Steven?
Yeah, I think we're good. Wait, can you stop the boat?
Yeah, hang on.
You want to stop before we get in these next group of clouds?
It seems like there's going to be a storm. It looks like there's going to be a storm.
I can't believe how bright it is still.
Turn the blower off.
I know. I tell you what, I keep like,
I can't. I know.
I think I'm definitely gonna burn out my retina, so.
Yeah, I keep doing the same thing. Like I look up.
Like accidentally, like, oh, it's like half a second, but I think it takes longer than that, but.
Yeah.
Wow, look how dark it is, though.
Yep, it's gone.
Look over there.
Oh wow, this is really getting dark
You
now.
gotta take your glasses off and look at how dark it is.
I got it like. There's one thing that's
Quick,
Like,
don't touch.
that light on. Look, there's on.
We don't want lights on. We want complete darkness.
No, look, their lights
Oh,
on.
It's shading out.
I understand that, but I want
I
darkness.
think we're in the shade right now.
Check out that thing over there. It's still.
I can't even see it when I look through the glasses
That
because
should
I'm
not
burned.
be. Right. I'm just gonna move the boat enough to get us back in.
so weird. Come on, don't move very
I'm not going. I'm just idling. Don't even worry about getting out.
I think this is
It's daylight saving.
Oh, I think the plane just crashed.
There it's going.
Holy cow.
Oh god.
Damn cloud.
There it goes.
I'm trying to look at a plane crash and just at the same time. Holy cow, that plane is amazing.
That stupid cloud came right in the middle.
You can still see it though.
Look at the plane, it's doing flips.
I don't care about the plane. I can see a plane
really
anytime.
cool.
Look at the eclipse.
Oh my gosh.
There it goes.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Oh, this is called belly beads because like the
There's the
mountains
beads.
and
Yeah.
the valleys make it really
Sweet.
I can't even
Is
see
it gone?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah, look at the stars.
That's how I start this.
Awesome.
Ooh, yeah!
Oh, that's sweet.
Ooh, yeah!
That's so cool.
That must be a planet.
Holy smokes!
Do what?
That's so cool. Can I get in the water?
I don't care. You can do whatever.
Yeah, I can swim. It's scary though.
Go in the back so you don't splash anybody. Or no, Mike's using the camera down there.
Holy smokes!
What is it?
Yeah.
This is
I'm done
so
with my phone.
cool.
That's
Wow, this is
sweet.
cool.
Dude,
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, this is so cool. Guys, let's go on the
that's
raft.
so much cooler than
Let's pull on the raft.
Awesome.
I thought it was really cool.
This is colder than I thought.
Yeah.
Where's my camera?
Oh
I
my
don't know what I
God.
do with my camera now.
This is amazing.
Somebody take a picture.
I took a picture right in the beginning.
Oh man. Ending.
It's going away, it's going away!
We still got a ton.
Isn't it 2 minutes? This is not 2 minutes. This is like 1 second. All the bugs are chirping.
That's so cool.
Bugs are chirping.
Oh my gosh.
Nighttime.
It's so quiet.
What time is it again?
I hear the
I'm
people
getting in the water.
talking that are like a mile
Really?
away.
All the fish are gonna be
Oh, here it
singing.
comes.
Wait, I want my.
Oh, I'm gonna fall.
Oh, it's over.
That's like,
Oh, sweet.
Oh, that was so cool.
it does look cool. Dad, look at it.
Yeah, you can still see, like, looking over that way at the horizon. It looks like sunset.
Oh shoot, that was the thing I forgot to look for.
What's that?
Now I have to wait another 20 years.
No. Oh.
What?
Smile.
Dad, if you drive like 2,000 miles an hour that way, we'll be able to catch it again.
No, you have to go that way.
Oh well, one of the ways.
Oh, it's over. That was sweet, guys.
You guys want to go north a little bit? We can still look at it a little bit. And
Sure.
Yeah, go fast and see if we can actually.
Outrun the sun.
That was. He's probably like, you know what? Dad, you know what he is? He's probably like. Trying to show off.
I can't believe all those clouds came out of the blue.
right,
We're good.
That's why I'm
You have fun? That was sweet. Yeah. Now all the clouds came up. We're so lucky. There's more of those bugs things. Those are bugs.
There was one before, like right when it was.
There's two of them, yeah.
And then I don't think it will. Hey, stay right here.
Rise and shine this morning.
That was sweet. Thanks, Tom. That was awesome. That was a good move on the boat thing, because you moved right out of the way at the last second. That was cool. I think I got it on video. That's when totality, I think I got it on video.
That was so much cooler than any of the videos.
Just the whole darkness is the coolest part in the ring.
I just couldn't believe how long it took to get dark.
Yeah.
You know?
And then like it
just
lasted for like barely any time.
Yeah.
Right here it comes again.
There it is again.
Let's cookie time.
Ugh.
You gotta get them out. Don't dump them out, man.
I have some in my mouth.
It's still sweet looking.
Woo, is that awesome?
They can't hear it.
It's awesome.
Put it in a piece of paper over there. Bed.
That was awesome.
This Carson Thomas. Can I put it in the next paper?
Is this safe?
Hey, we forgot to look for the lines. We forgot to look for the lines. They were supposed to do it during the eclipse. That was awesome.
Alright, get your Dustin.